Welcome to my YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge.
Who was the first female martyr in Islam? Aisha, Khadija, Fatima, Sumayya bint Khayat radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is Sumayya bint Khayat radiallahu ta'ala anha. What is the name of the prayer performed in the evening? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib. Correct answer is Maghrib. Who was the first cousin of Prophet Muhammad to accept Islam? Umar ibn Khattab, Usman ibn Affan, Abu Bakr, Ali ibn Abi Talib. Correct answer is Ali ibn Abi Talib radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Which surah is known as the chapter of sincerity? Surah Al-Fatiha, Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Yasin. Correct answer is Surah Al-Ikhlas. What is the name of the last prophet in Islam? Prophet Musa, Prophet Isa, Prophet Ibrahim, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Correct answer is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What is the term for the communal prayer performed on Fridays? Tarawih, Eid Salah, Jummah, Tahajjud. Correct answer is Jummah. Who was the first caliph of Islam? Umar ibn Khattab, Usman ibn Affan, Abu Bakr, Ali ibn Abi Talib radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu. What is the Arabic term for the concept of monotheism? Shirk, Tawheed, Sunnah, Bid'ah. Correct answer is Tawheed. How many pillars are there in Islam? 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct answer is 5. What is the term for the declaration of faith in Islam? Salat, Zakat, Shahada, Saum. Correct answer is Shahada. Who was the first woman to accept Islam? Aisha, Khadija, Fatima, Hafsa radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is Khadija radiallahu ta'ala anha. What is the term for the obligatory charity in Islam? Saum, Zakat, Hajj, Salat. Correct answer is Zakat. How many rakat are there in the Zohar prayer? 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer is 4/3. What is the name of the prayer performed in the late afternoon? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib. Correct answer is Asr. What is the term for the night journey of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Hijrah, Isra Miraj, Laylatul Qadr, Eid al-Adha. Correct answer is Isra and Miraj.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.